Home prices are not falling. During the fourth quarter of last year, some housing experts projected home prices were going to crash in 2023. The media ran with those forecasts and put out headlines calling for doom and gloom in the housing market. All of this negative news coverage made a lot of people have doubts about the strength of the residential real estate market. If it made you question if you should delay your own plans to move, here's what you really need to know. Home prices never crash. Disregard what you saw in the headlines. The actual data shows home prices were remarkably resilient and performed far better than the media would have you believe. Check out this graph. This graph uses reports from 3 trusted sources to clearly illustrate prices have already rebounded after experiencing only slight declines nationally. That's a far cry from the crash so many articles called for. Even though some media coverage made a big deal about home prices pulling back, the slight correction that happened is already in the rearview mirror. Basically, this data shows you home prices aren't falling anymore. They're actually going back up. What's next for home prices? The consensus from experts is that home price growth will continue in the years ahead and is returning to normal levels for the market. That means we'll still see home price appreciation just at a slower pace than the last few years. That's a good thing. Some news sources will see home price growth slowing and put out stories making you think prices are falling again. The return of misleading headlines like those is already having an impact on how home buyers are feeling again. While the percentage of Americans who think prices will fall has been slowly declining this year, the latest consumer confidence data indicates that it's ticking back up. Shown here in red, this change is surprising, especially since the home price data shows prices are going up, not down. It tells you the impact the media still has on public opinion. Don't fall for the negative headlines and become part of this statistic. The bottom line is, even though the media may make things sound like doom and gloom, the data shows home prices aren't falling. So don't let the headlines scare you or delay your plans. Let's connect so you have a trusted resource to cut through the noise and tell you what's really happening in our area.